माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
members, honorable members, few notices of adjournment motion have been received on different subjects. Honorable Speaker has disallowed all the notices of adjournment motion. Now, papers to be laid. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Speaker, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Item number 3, Pratap Rao Jadhav.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सन्मुख उल्लिखित विषय से संबंधित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Item number 4, Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Honorable Chairperson, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague, Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers relating to the Ministry of Finance as mentioned against his name as serial number 4 in the today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Item number 5, B.L. Verma.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की लोकसभा की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 5 पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Item number 6, Memubhai Bahania.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के आगे उल्लिखित कागजात हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखते हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Item number 7, Secretary General.
Sir, I have to report that Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on the 19th August 2025 agreed without any amendment to the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha.
Item number 8, the Committee on Absence of Members from sitting of the House in their second report presented to the House on 19th August 2025 have been recommended that a leave of absence from the sitting of the House to be granted to the members as indicated in the report. Is it the pleasure of the House that the leave as recommended by the committee be granted? Honorable Speaker, the members will be informed accordingly. Item number 9, Chandrajit Singh, Chennai.
Sir, I rise to present a copy each of the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th and 21st reports, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry, Food Processing 2024-25 as listed my name against my name at serial number 9 in today's list of business. Thank you.
7, Kalyan Wajinath Rao Khale.
सर महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 11 पर मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध रसायन और उर्वरक संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 9वां, 10वां, 11वां, 12वां और 13वां
प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Item number 10, Charanjit Singh, Chennai.
Sir, I rise to lay a copy of the statement, Hindi and English version, showing further action taken by the government on the 13th action taken report of the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing 2024-25 as listed against my name at serial number 10 in today's list of business. Thank you.
Item number 12, Magunta Srinivas Reddy.
Sir, I rise to present the 6th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 3rd report of the Department Related Standing Committee on Housing and Urban Affairs 2024-25 on the subject Demands for Grants 2025-2026 of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Hindi and English versions listed against my name in today's list of business, sir. Thank you.
Item number 13, Satish Kumar Gautam.
महोदय, मैं आज साइबर अपराध, जलिस्ट सुरक्षा रोकथाम विषय के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी गृह कार्य संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 254वें प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में एक प्रति सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
Item number 14, Dr. D. Purandeshwari. Shri Kamakya Prasad.
Sir, I raise to lay the following reports in English and Hindi of the Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports as listed against my name at serial number 14 in today's order paper. 369 report on review of functioning and performance of Sports Authority of India and Fellow India pertaining to the Department of Sports Ministry, Youth and of Youth Affairs and Sports, and 370 report on implementation of Article 15(5) of Indian Constitution regarding special provision for reservation of SC, STs and OBCs in educational institution, including private educational institution pertaining to the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education. Thank you, sir.
Item number 15, Vishweshwara Hegde Kageri.
Speaker, sir, I raise to lay 388th report on overall review of safety in the civil aviation sector in Hindi and English of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture listed against my name at serial number 15 in today's list of business. Thank you.
Item number 16, Chandrasekhar Pemsani.
Sir, in pursuance with para 5 of Appendix 1 of Delegation of Financial Power Rules 2024, I would like to lay statements regarding withdrawal of funds from the Contingency Fund of India for expenditure in respect of SATCOM monitoring facility project and for servicing interest on sovereign guarantee bonds raised by MTNL, respectively pertaining to Department of Telecommunications. Thank you.
Item number 17, B.L. Verma.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 17 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध उपभोक्ता मामले विभाग से संबंधित अनुदान मांगों 2024-25 और 2025-26 पर संसदीय स्थायी समिति की क्रमशः 5वीं और 7वीं रिपोर्ट में नई सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Item number 18, Ranveer Singh.
Sir, with your kind permission, I raise to lay on the table a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendations, observations contained in the 5th report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing Industries on demand for grants 2024-25 pertaining to the Ministry of Food Processing Industry.
Item number 19, Nimmu Ben Bomania.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 19 पर अपने नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध विवरण जो संबंधित संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 6वें एवं 8वें प्रतिवेदन में अनुदान मांगों वर्ष 2024-25 और 2025-26 क्रमशः के संबंध में और 38वें एवं 40वें प्रतिवेदन में गैर हाउसिंग विकास नियामक प्राधिकरण का कामकाज और उचित मूल्य की दुकानों का रूपांतर जो खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण विभाग के संबंध में की गई सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। धन्यवाद महोदय।
Item number 23, Shri Ashwini